Perfect. Good evening, and I'll not take a lot of time. Just be very precise and kind of focused. But before that, I want to thank you, Seafund. This has been a wonderful journey, and I really appreciate support from all the partners and Principal Agam. Uh, this has been a totally different experience than what I was expecting from a fund. A complete family and support which I have received is amazing. And I really want to call that out first. It's not a typical fund, it's more like we working together to build a company. All right, so what we do, we target fraud detection and prevention. It's a global problem across industries. This is a kind of market currently stands at around 55 billion. It is slated to go up to 180 billion. There is a CAGR of 70 to 21%. Two big segments, healthcare and BFSI, which has been impacted, which kind of have more than 50% of the frauds. This is what we target. Now, how do we do that? We built out 8 AI engines. So there is a rule to ML engine, which is where we have built out millions of rules, very industry specific, which are also part of the ML engine. Then we have 2 dedicated ML engines, which is anomaly engine, detecting all the out of the patterns or the outliers, geospatial engine, which is where we focus on who is where, what transactions, how much they are traveling, how they are traveling. So basically looking at locational geospatial intelligence and understanding patterns behind that. We have a network engine, which is where we connect all entities, understand their relationships, understand the patterns in which they are transacting, and identify which are the outlier patterns which should be called out. Then we have a document forensics engine, which is where we analyze each document which come in. We look at from tampering, physical tampering, digital tampering. We look at the objects within the document, the seals, stamps, markers, QRs, all of kind of objects within the document. We analyze inter-document analysis. So we do a variety of 100 plus kind of parameters based analysis on the documents. We analyze images. So there is another AI engine, which is where we are looking at industry specific images. So for example, in health, we are looking at radiology images. In motor, we are looking at vehicle images. So we do a complete image analytics engine. And then we have a video analytics engine, so where we look at the video liveliness. There are 60 plus different features on which we analyze videos. So if someone is taking a life insurance, we can tell if the person is in hospital, if the person is live, if person is dead, if the person's kind of, a variety of features to underwrite the risk. So we have a complete video analytics engine. And we have a beneficiary risk, so the insured entity, insured person, their risk, understanding their past behaviors, understanding their history, understanding how they have been transacting, what are the impact of that. Now with these 8 engines, these engines are more generic in nature. So we have for each engine industry specific knowledge base. We built out the racks, we built out the clinical knowledge bases, we built out the vehicle knowledge bases. So there are multiple knowledge bases associated, and we cater to the industries like health insurance. So health insurance we'll talk about, we are doing it at a very large scale across India, Middle East, Africa. We are doing motor insurance, we are doing life insurance. These insurance side, we have been much stronger. We started moving into financial institutions. We found a use case in primary source verification. So when someone's kind of data is being checked, we analyze that. We are kind of working with banks. We are working with the legal side. So when someone's bar license, someone's deeds, someone's kind of contracts, when they are getting first, they are getting analyzed by us. And we are also finding legal field where transcripts, education, degrees, etc., being validated on our platform. So 8 plus industries which we are catering today. Of course, in last 4 years or so, we have generated more than 1,000 crore of savings, verified and kind of stamp savings, which we have generated. Moving further, the team is a little over 100 people, primarily based in Noida, and then a small presence in Jaipur, couple of people in Mumbai, Hyderabad, and outside India as well. So we are slowly working on a hub and spoke model with the core team based in Noida. A lot of credentials, I'll not go into that. More than 500 machine learning AI models, clinical protocols, AI agents, LLM, VLM tuning, and our proposal for building India-specific foundational LLM that is under consideration with the Office of Principal Scientific Advisor. We have, in last 5 years, built 80% CAGR. We are dealing with kind of some of the very large, like entire state of Rajasthan, their health claims fraud detection we do. Largest insurance company like New India, we do. Large TPAs we do in India, and we have multiple clients in pipeline. In Middle East, we are like working with likes of Dataflow, Dubai Health Authority, DIFC. We are kind of doing Kenya's national health, their fraud detection. Then we started moving to US. US, we are doing very specific value-based care, risk management, which is we are doing, and now we have started expanding into Southeast Asia. In terms of our funding, we were founded in 2020. Essentially, 2021, we started our operations. We did our kind of seed round in July 2024 with Equanimity and Seafund. We did another round 2025, August, with the bridge round. And last month, we kind of completed our Series A with big capital. So this has been our journey so far. As we look forward in next 12 to 18 months, we are looking to go deeper into the deep tech. So building foundational LLMs, I mean, so far, all LLMs, VLMs which has been built, they are not built for fraud detection because the basic premise of building LLM has been that we have a data which is true, which is trusted, and you use that for the inference and learning. While the fraud is completely opposite, where it says the data source data is not trusted. You have to suspect that data and learn how to suspect that data. So if we go ahead, then we will build first India-specific foundational VLM, and then we will be expanding that to the global VLM. So that's one focus which we have for next 12 to 18 months. The second focus we have that we have done a lot of piecemeal, like industry. We have some clients, some use cases. We have not had yet a coherent industry-specific GTM for growth and expansion. So that is our focus to really go out into the market, start selling. We have enough credentials, enough proven use cases to sell it at scale. So that's our focus. Really, again, before I close, want to thank Seafund. This has been a wonderful journey, and Manoj and kind of all the partners at Seafund, Narendra and Mayris. I know you answer every call which I make, and any time I make, and that is more than what I can ask from you. So thank you so much.